It is an investigation into a possible tax evasion scheme amounting to 200 million Kenya shillings. As you have seen, this company is involved in importation, repackaging, supply and exportation of liquefied petroleum gas. Our preliminary investigations and available intelligence seems to indicate that the company may be involved in practices of reducing tax liability by undervaluation of imports as well as underpayment of corporation tax. We are in the process of obtaining documents, necessary documents pertaining to all the importation by this company, the bank statements, financial records, stock records, deliveries and sales. We shall be analyzing all of these documents to establish the actual and accurate tax liability, and if necessary, we shall institute recovery measures depending on what we find. This action is in accordance with Section 157 of the East African Customs Management Act of 2004, which gives KRA powers to search premises and seize documents related to suspected and customed goods. Further, Sections 758 and 60 of the Tax Procedures Act 2015 also give KRA a warrant, powers to search any building, place or property and seize documents or data storage devices, and require the owners of such documents or their representatives to answer questions for purposes of administration of the tax laws. It's an ongoing investigation. It has been going on for a while now, and we feel that we are at a good place to make the necessary interventions that we are doing now, and if necessary, if it becomes necessary, we will carry out any other sanctions as provided for in the law.